All right, we got this really nice UPREIGN 2-in-1 walking pad and treadmill. As you can see, pretty lightweight and nice and very easy, like nice and portable. Has the wheels on the end right here. There's 2 wheels up front, so it makes it very easy to store and to move around. So it holds up to 220 pounds. So first thing I'm going to do, just with the walking treadmill vibe, I'm going to come up here, turn that on. From here, I'm going to come over here and get this remote. But it's on, it's ready for me to go. With this remote, all I have to do is press play right here, and it's counting down, 3, 2, 1. And the speed it just starts out as 0.6 miles per hour, but it can go all the way up to, using the remote to do that, 3.8 miles per hour. That's for the walking mode. So we have the handrails down at the side. This is the speed and go for walking. As you can see, I don't need to go this fast walking. If this is gonna be under your desk, I'm gonna wanna slow that down. So you're good as far as using this as a walking treadmill if you're gonna be using it for work or anything like that. This thing's amazing. But you can see it's going from the speed to the time to the distance to the calories right there. All right, now I am gonna come over here. I'm gonna turn it off really quick because I'm gonna come up here. I'm gonna pull the handrail up. I'm gonna lock it into place right here. And then I'm gonna take the emergency switch. I'm gonna connect that right down underneath here. So that's connected. And now I'm gonna come down here. I'm gonna press the on button right here. So that turns that on, but it doesn't start. And then I'm gonna connect this to somewhere. You connect it to your waistband, connect it up here. That way you fall off or anything, it's gonna shut the treadmill off. So from here, press start. That begins the countdown down there. And as you will see, I'm gonna go as fast as I can in the run mode. And this goes pretty fast. So this goes all the way to 7.6, which is a very fast speed. I'm gonna show you just how fast that is. Most people probably won't even need 7.6 when they're running. If you're doing any sort of long distance, pretty good. So that's pretty good. I'm gonna come off here and hit the stop button. Could pull this out as well, it doesn't matter. Pull that out. Oh, one thing I want to show you, your phone. This is built for your phone right there. Put your phone right in there. That's amazing. Let me go ahead and shut this off. As you can see, really nice treadmill, super high quality. Highly recommend.